Hey, it's Lee Cole here, and it is a truly hot day here in Atlanta. I'm relaxing on the patio of my favorite Starbucks with a little cold drink, and want to talk to you in this video real quick about three really important things that you need to think about if you're going to start an offline business. Offline marketing is the process of selling internet marketing products and services to local businesses. I've been doing this for over 10 years. This is a business that just flat out rocks. It allows me to make really good money and have a killer lifestyle, as you can see. So, three tips for you though. That's a three. If you want to get going with this. Number one, sell what businesses already know they want and need. Don't sell stuff that you have to explain. This is why I don't sell a lot of search engine optimization. Don't really sell a lot of paid advertising management, stuff like that. I do sell that to some clients, but it's to clients that I've already sold other stuff to. So I'm really talking about when you're getting going, good products to start off with. Really good products to start off with are things that businesses already need. For instance, websites. Most businesses, yes, even in 2018, most businesses need a better website. Those are pretty easy to sell. You don't have to be an HTML genius to do that. You really just have to target businesses that need websites and hit them up. That brings me to the second really important thing. You need one way of prospecting for new business, not 40, not 5, not really 3, or even 2, just one. Because really you need to be doing prospecting for new business. You need to be doing that 50 to 80% of your time always. When you're first getting going, when you're building your business from scratch, you need to be prospecting 80% of your time as your business builds and you got clients and stuff like that and you're getting some referrals from those clients, which you will get if you're doing a really good job. You can drop that back down to about 50%. So, some tips and techniques for you. Also, on this channel, there's a massive amount of stuff. Subscribe to this channel. Free content all about how to make money online. I've been doing it for years, and you will have seen a notification at some point along in this video to download my ebook. I have a best-selling, it was a bestseller on Amazon for quite a while. It's now dropped off a little bit because I don't really market it, but you can download that for free. And if you will click on the link where it tells you to on the video, which is generally at the top, then you can download that for free. Thank you so much. Again, my name's Lee Cole. Talk to you soon.